my presence is.
Think about what's coming next.
My name is Jane Nice. My name is Emily Henry.
My name is Morgan Denton.
My name is Allie Penscover.
My name is Kyle Linscott, and we are students from Nature Hill Intermediate School in Ohio.
Our accompanist is Mrs. Barnum. Today we are singing Where Peaceful Waters Flow by Donnelly and Strait. One interesting musical characteristic about this piece is
that there is 3-part harmony, and each part can stand as its own melody.